When you think of paperclips, the first thing that likely comes to mind is their primary function, holding papers together. But these unsung little items are far more versatile than you might think. From quick fixes to organizational hacks, paperclips can be a lifesaver in many situations. Let's explore the myriad ways you can use paperclips beyond the office. All tried, tested, and recommended. Number 1. Emergency zipper pull. If your zipper pull breaks at an inconvenient time, fear not. Simply unfold a paperclip and hook it through the zipper tab. Problem solved in seconds. Number 2. Keyring substitute. Need an extra keyring in a pinch? Twist a paperclip into a loop and you've got a temporary but effective solution. Number 3. Cable organizer. Tired of tangled cords? Use paperclips to bundle and organize your cables. It's a quick way to keep your workspace tidy. Number 4. Bookmark. Save your page without dog-earing your book. A paperclip makes an excellent bookmark that won't damage your pages. Number 5. Phone stand. Need to prop up your phone for a quick video call or to watch a movie? Bend a large paperclip into an L shape and use it as a handy phone stand. Number 6. Ornament hook. During holiday decorating, if you find yourself short on ornament hooks, a paperclip bent into an S shape works perfectly. Number 7. Chip bag clip. Keep your snacks fresh by folding the top of the bag and securing it with a couple of paperclips. Number 8. Reset button pusher. Many electronic devices have tiny reset buttons. A straightened paperclip is the perfect tool for pressing these without causing any damage. Number 9. Jewelry fix. Lost an earring back or need a quick fix for a broken necklace clasp? A small piece of a paperclip can save the day until you can get a proper replacement. Number 10. Temporary hem fix. If your hem comes undone and you need a quick fix, fold the fabric to the desired length and secure it with paperclips. Number 11. Crafting aid. Paperclips are great for various crafting projects. Use them to hold pieces together as tiny hooks or bend them into creative shapes. Number 12. Mini scraper. Need to remove a sticker or clean a small crevice? The edge of a paperclip can serve as a mini scraper for those hard-to-reach spots. Number 13. Christmas light repair. If a bulb in your Christmas lights goes out, sometimes it's due to a broken wire. Use a paperclip to bridge the broken connection and get your lights working again. Number 14. Button threader. Threading a needle can be tricky, especially with small buttons. Use a straightened paperclip to guide the thread through the buttonhole easily. Number 15. Money clip. Keep your cash organized by folding it and securing it with a paperclip. It's a simple and effective way to manage your bills. Number 16. Hairpin substitute. Forgot your hairpins? A small paperclip can be bent into a makeshift pin to secure stray hairs. Number 17. Toothpaste tube squeezer. Maximize your toothpaste by using a paperclip as a squeezer. Roll up the end of the tube and use the clip to hold it in place, ensuring you get every last bit. Number 18. Plant support. Small plants sometimes need extra support. Insert a paperclip into the soil and use it to prop up the plant stem. Number 19, bag zipper tab. If the zipper tab on your bag breaks, a paperclip can be a quick and effective replacement. Number 20, quilt basting tool. When quilting, use paperclips instead of pins to hold fabric layers together. They're easier to remove and won't leave holes in your fabric. Conclusion: who knew that a simple paperclip could be so versatile? Happy clipping! Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that these little tools are more than just office supplies. They're lifesavers, organizers, and creative aids. Keep a stash of paperclips handy, and you'll be surprised at how often they come to the rescue. What's your favorite unconventional use for a paperclip? Please share your tips and tricks in the comments. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.